Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, and I welcome you all. Today we are solving 0417 Information and Communication Technology Paper 3, and especially our focus is to attempt web authoring part only. So as this is the normal practice, you know that we need to start with the basic setup of decompressing our given source files, and we need to rename our evidence document, etc., and adding headers and footers, etc. So we are going to do the same step before we further carry on with this working. So we are going to attempt it in a way that we need to decompress the compressed file and adding the preliminary setup before we further solve this paper. So right click on this selected zip file, click on extract all, click on extract. So this file has been extracted. That is the first thing. Number two, you need to look for the evidence file. I could hardly find any evidence file here. So right click, new, click on a Word document and name it evidence underscore S13, because our plan is to work with S13. And then you need to go to insert menu, you need to click on header and pick the second option, which is blank 3 columns. Write your name, write your paper S13 Web Authoring, and here write down name of school at LGSKHI. Double click here and press Ctrl S and minimize it. You need to minimize it so that you can copy the evidences here. Open up question paper further, move on. This is the Excel part which we are not covering up right now, but here from step 26 onwards we have to create a folder with J1332 HTML. So in order to create, instead of creating this, I'm going to rename my work folder to okay, but right now the Word file is opening, so it's not allowing me to rename, so I need to close that. I need to try it again. It is renamed. Open your evidence file again and carry on with the rest of the steps. So we have already copied down these all source files in our working folder. Now a student has tried to create a web style sheet to be used in, with a web page. All color codes are in hexadecimals. The style sheet should define the following styles. So this is what is being given, and the student has already done this work by his own efforts, and the name of that CSS file is this. So we need to open up this CSS file. So what is this? This is CSS file. If you have installed SharePoint Designer 2007, you can double click on CSS file. It will open up automatically. So this is what is being given here. Now we are going to study it one by one. So one by one. Okay, so this is H1. So click on H1, right click H1 and go to modify style. This is in front of us now, and it is saying that define the color of RGB as FFFF00. So just go to here, go to automatic, follow the sequence RGB, and just click OK. That's the first thing. Then it is saying that in the font family it should be like this. Trebuchet is the font, so TRE, that is here. You can remove rest of the Trebuchet. That's the font we need. Okay, just cut it, and after then what is not available, then sans serif. Type sans serif, Control V and comma. In my previous paper I told you that you have to use the double quotation mark with the first option, second option, and the last option should remain without quotation mark. So if you do not put in double quotations, even then it works, so you do not need to worry about it. Font size is 24 points high, so just write 24 and change this px to point, right? 24 points high. And center align, so center align means in block it is already center aligned. It was perfectly all right. So we have done with 1, 2, 3, 4 properties we have set. Okay, and apply, and you can check it. This is it. Then we need to go to H2, right click, modify style. In H2 they are also asking us to change the color code to RGB, which is RGB, which is CC. Just click on OK, and the font is Arial only. it's to be 16 point, so change it px to point 16 point, and it's right aligned. So in the point this is right aligned, so make it right aligned and just apply. It's okay. Then you go to h3, right click and go to modify style, and this h3 is here. So h3 says Arial font. It is already decided, just the Arial thing. Sorry, I did wrong. So just make it Arial tab, and it should be 12 points high, 12 points, make it points, and then center aligned. So it is already center aligned. There are just 3 things to do with. Yeah, we have done it. Apply and okay, and you can cross check it. Then go to li, right click, modify style. It is saying that in li the color should be this, so just go to this color thing and write down the color options RGB, which is 000000, and click okay. Font name is Arial and it is 12 point high, so write here 12 pt means 12 point, and after then left align, so this is left align, and the bullet type is disk, so go to list, and this is disk already selected. That's it, perfect. Click on apply and okay, and go to the last tab, last element, second last element, which is paragraph, and the paragraph, the color is 000000, so just reset it 000000 because it was preliminarily set as a default, so that is why we have changed it. And what else? Font is Arial, the point is 12, instead of medium write 12 point, and left aligned, just come up here and make it left aligned. So we are successfully achieved this thing. Sorry, right, 1 2 3 4 things have been done. Click on apply and okay, and last but not the least is the body. Right click, modify style, and background color. So we need to go to the background thing, and background color is this. So background color, click on this color collapse button and write down RGB 00CCFF, tab and okay. So in the background color, that's the only thing we are required to do. Click OK and this, and now you need to take the evidence for it, right? So also you need to write your name, /*, write your name, right, and at LGSKHI, and that is the way you need to write your name in comment. Then it is saying that open the style, this in suitable package, not fit, certain errors are in there. We have rectified those errors. Save this file in your this folder. Use the file name style followed by your name. So go to file, save as, right? So we are here in this our folder, and you need to rename it style followed by your name, right, and save it as a CSS, so .css, and save it. Now you need to verify that either your file has been saved or not. Yes, it has been saved as a CSS. For a CSS, the icon looks like this. Okay, so this is done. Okay, we are done with it. Take the screenshot showing the text of your style sheet and place it in your evidence, which is evidence number 30. So right here is step 30, and in step 30 we need to paste, we need to just take the snapshot of just a screenshot of this thing, right? So copy and paste it here and move on. It is saying that using the suitable package, software package, and open the file HTML. Okay, so we need to go to our this file, working file folder, right click and edit with SharePoint Designer. So this is our HTML file, and you can just go to the designer thing. So this is our HTML file. Now what they are asking us to do, we need to follow that. Attach the style sheet saved in step 29 to this web page. You know that how to attach it. It's not difficult. You people are aware of it, that you need to go to this. For example, if you do not have any task panes available to you, go to task panes and add apply styles, and you will find it. Attach style sheet. First you copy the file folder path, and then you need to go to this SharePoint thing, paste it, browse it, right, and select style sheet and let it be on the default options. So this is applied. We need to close it, get back to your question paper again. Now what is the requirement? Replace the text candidate name center name by this. Okay, so you need to scroll it down and you need to replace it. Candidate name, edit it by, write your name, center number like 1 2 3 4 5, and candidate number, like for example I'm just writing at LGS KHI. Okay, then what next? Set the table border to 2. Set the table border to 2. So how to set the table border? It is simple. You just locate your mouse pointer to the start of this text, right, and click on it. You will be up to the table properties and set the table border. Where is table border, by the way? This is 0, just make it 1. Table border is 1. And set the table to fill with the width of the window. So it means that just right here 100% instead of pixel, make it percent. Why? Because they are asking you table to fill the width of the window, and the width of the window will be, if it will be 100%, then it will fit into that width. Click apply and okay. As you can see that now it has been the width of the table is fit in with the available window, right? And by mistaken I was supposed to change it to border 2, but I did it 1, so I need to edit it and make it 2. Border is 2, not 1, and apply it, right? Then replace the text, place logo. Here the image J130 logo. So where is that? Replace place logo. Where is place logo? Where is place logo? You can also go to the code and you can press Ctrl F to look for place logo. So place logo is here. Place logo is here before the, okay, so place logo is here in this cell. Okay, because we have changed the we have applied the CSS thing, so that's why it was hidden. Anyways, we need to delete this, and in place of this we need to put which logo? J13 logo. So where is J13 logo? J13 logo is this. You drag and release it and name it to logo as an alternative text and click OK. Select the most appropriate image, download it. In step 27 to use, replace the place starfish here. So place a starfish here. So delete this thing, and in the work folder look for a starfish, which looks like a starfish. This looks like a starfish. So drag and release and write starfish. Press OK. Then what is next? Shark. Place shark here. So you need to just select, delete, and go back to your work folder and look for the shark. Where is the shark? Is this shark? No, this is a shark. So you need to go to the shark and replace it, SHARK, shark. And what else? Turtle, ninja turtle. You need to place here ninja turtle. Okay, so where is turtle? Turtle, this is turtle. Is this a turtle? I need to zoom it. Oh, this is a turtle, but this is not a ninja turtle. Okay, so turtle. Okay, we are done with it. Press enter, get back to a question paper. Then resize these all images to 200 pixels wide. Okay, so right click, picture properties, appearance, make it 200, maintain the aspect ratio. Right click, picture properties, appearance, make it 200. And similarly for this ninja turtle, go to picture, appearance, and make it 200. That is okay. Shark, have you done with the shark? Yes, yes, yes. Get back to your question paper. Then display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize your browser window so that it fits into the entire screen to the screenshot. Take the copy of HTML and print your evidence document. That is the only thing. Press Ctrl S And now go back to your work folder, and in this work folder this was your HTML file. Double click it to open it in our browser. So it is coming exactly within the browser thing. So if you want to change the zoom setting for it so that it fits in to your screen, so this is what the requirement of it. Now you need to capture this image, capture that, right, and go back to question paper, because it is asking you for the evidence thing, which is 41. So here type step 41 and paste it. And finally we need the HTML code, which is also in 41. So go to the code stuff area, and as you can see that it is coming here. So what I want to get the image of here instead of copy and paste, actually fit into one page. Then I can take the picture of it instead of copy and paste the code. So this is perfectly done. Or if you are not comfortable with this, so you need to press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and after you paste you need to select them all and you need to remove all the spaces in between them, and this is your code, and save your work and take the printout, right? So alhamdulillah, we are done with this web authoring paper successfully, and this is the end of it. So keep posting your remarks and comments, and in case of any problem, please you can approach me using my WhatsApp number, and you can also post your comments. So I will contact you as soon I receive any query from your side. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.